Hi, my name is Simon Shen. I'm the CEO of the XYZprinting. Well, this is our headquarters in Taiwan. We have more than 355 engineers worldwide in US, Singapore, Taiwan, and Philippines, dedicated to develop the 3D printer. Since 3 years ago, we started thinking why the 3D printers only can print the mono objects like this. Why not we cannot do in the full color printing like this? In order to make your 3D printer become colorful, our engineers spent 3 years to develop the special formula of the 3D color inkjet POA and also CMY ink cartridge with our free software XYZ makers. And of course, Color Mini, then you can start have your 3D printer become colorful